I told my husband I feel like a failure. He wrote a big F. It's really unprofessional. He F. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is 7:30, 7:20 already. I just came down here. Transfer it here. He did. He put it in the dryer. And he folded it all. This is what he did. He got up this morning and just... Oh. He's still doing it. Wow, it takes forever. Still water in here. Let's see. This is the one here. I'm going to have some bread. I think I'm just going to have this. I'm not a big fan of any, like Stop and Shop, ShopRite, Walmart croissants because they're different from Costco. I'm gonna have this. Takes forever, guys. I'm uploading the video from yesterday. This is the problem here. Like, it takes forever to upload. But anyway, guys, my husband need to take all that tape in there.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
I know I take my Midol down here. I went upstairs to get my Midol. It's right here. Yeah, I'm going to take you today, morning, because I need you. I need this. And this is what my husband like about this toaster. It's quick. It's light up quick. It hit quick. Not the other one. It takes freaking forever. The one that we have in the house takes forever. This is what he like about this. It's quick. Oh my god, guys. You don't have any idea. Look how long is this take here. 2 hours and 53 minutes to upload a video. In the house, it's like 20 minutes. I won't hit this long because it will end up a hard bread. He's changing all the... How do you call this, hon?
Shelf clips.
Shelf clips?
Yeah.
This one here. Is it good, honey?
Which?
This one, the one that we got. Which one you're using?
The grass, the ones that have their plastic. Some of the plastic ones are really problems.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So I guess he's using... Well, West. We
I
return...
only know that from past experiences with dishes flying, breaking, and crap, and these things finally give out. That's why.
Well, the one that we got, the with plastic and the...
That's fine. The metal clip goes all the way through.
Okay, that's good. So, yeah, and look what happened, guys. It's still uploading. Still uploading. And I've been trying to call my family. I can't reach them. So, I'm going to the other room to paint. Because I'm done over here. I'm done painting this. Whatever, how you call that. And I'm going to keep carrying phone because I will going to keep ringing them. I don't care. It's 9 o'clock already at night over there. Anyway, guys, it's almost 2 o'clock. It's almost 2 o'clock. And we're not having our lunch yet. I'm making some sausage. This cut off. And I need onions. The onion is still good. And I think I'm going to make the zucchini also.
People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah,
I'm making the sausage.
Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take.
Tommy just left. Yeah, I tried to woke him up like 3 times. 3:30 I woke him up, and then 4 I woke him up, and then I woke him up again because traffic. You know, I don't want him to go driving. He doesn't feel like driving. Doesn't like traffic, and he's like makes him like stress. Traffic, driving and traffic. He's not a big fan. Oh my God! Hold on, guys. So he just left. He is sick. He has a fever, and I told him if he doesn't really feel like driving, I'm going home with him to just like, you know, that I can drive. But he said he can drive. He just don't want to. But he's fine driving, but he just don't want to go because he's feeling crappy. And it really sucks because it stressed me out when seeing him like that. It really does stress me out. Yeah, I'm watching Unclosed, and I watch also who I watch, Zuela, and yeah, so that's really it, guys. It is already 4:30 now, and I'm still cooking all the food that I cooked this afternoon. I sent it over to the other house that he doesn't have to do anything cooking, and I told him to call my sister-in-law not to cook anything because there's chicken, sausage with bell pepper, and string beans, and zucchini, what else, and plus the macaroni salad that I made the other day. Yesterday. Yeah, so anyway, guys, I forgot to tell you, I don't pass in my driving test. I took driving test last week, Thursday. What happened was I don't pass. The guy freaked me out. I mean, I said, "Oh, I can handle this. I'm good with this. I'm already okay." But you know, but I'm still nervous. But of course, when I saw the guy when he's up in the car, he makes me nervous because he said, "Miss," like he does. It's like he has that attitude of him that it makes me nervous more, and it makes me freak out. He said, "Little thing I do, he like miss like that." You know, it's just mixed. So that's it. It's freaked me out. Everything is just no. I don't pass. So I have to come back, and I changed. After that day when I last week Thursday Thursday after my test, I went online and book again. The thing is, you have to wait for another month to book for for, you know, appointment to get a driving test. It's crazy over here because you have to wait for like, you know, a month because it's fully booked. So what I did is I don't want to go back into the area that I went to because it drive like an hour to get there, because I heard that there's a lot of nice things in there, like it's easy, it's quicker, like that, it's like easy driving. So I don't book in my area, which is closer. So I book it in my area, and that's really it. It's just September again, first week of September, and it takes a month. It's really crazy, guys. It makes me feel really sad. I told my husband I feel like a failure, and I don't feel like being fail. I feel like I'm a failure, and I told him I'm very lousy that day, very lousy, sad, stressed. I feel like I'm not allowed to drive anymore. But I feel like I don't deserve driving. So I'm thinking maybe, and until now I still have that feeling that maybe I'm not good, maybe I can't drive, maybe it's a crazy thing. I asked my husband, "Are you sure, hon, I'm the only one? There is other people that fail in the first driving test, or maybe I'm the only one that, you know, fail?" And so that's really it, guys. Thumbs down. And he wrote, you know what the guy did? He wrote a big F. It's really unprofessional. He F. Not a good feeling. Period.
Stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah.
I'm going downstairs. I'm just done taping.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride.
Hi guys, it's already 8 o'clock. I don't even have dinner yet. I'm not kind of hungry, but I think I'm hungry now. Before I wasn't hungry, but now I'm hungry. I've been making a mess. What I did is like, look, boxes from my wedding gift, set of plates and mugs. I put some few mugs here. That's the one with the set in it. My coffee. This is gonna be a coffee area here, and also, guys, some of the like bowl something, and I put it down, the one that we use all the time. And this one over here, this is just a like everyday thing. This is Susan over there. Probably over there it's gonna be container. This is the plate area here, this here, and that's it. Over there, extra storage and stuff. So yeah, I make a mess. Everything's a mess over here. Yeah, and there's a lot more stuff here. I empty this box. I'm gonna return this to the house that I can reuse that. And all this mess, I'm just gonna leave it here now. In here, I really want my husband to put the stuff over there. I'm going to close this like that. Close, close, close.